Hi all folks, this is Max from DroidRazrRoot.com, your favorite site for Droid Razr and also YouTube channel. We get very high on Android here. Anyway, today we're going to root our Droid Razr, which is on my latest OTA here. Let me show you. If you go to settings, about phone, it's on Android 2.3.6. This should work on any gingerbread. I'm on software version 6.12.173.xt912, and also this should work on GSM versions. It's completely safe. If you can do it, and also if this doesn't work, there's other method you can try on my site DroidRazrRoot.com, but it should work. And go to settings. First of all, you'll go to settings and applications. Make sure unknown sources checked on, say yes. Under development, make sure USB debugging is checked on, say yes. And then connect it to your computer. I have a Windows, this is for Windows, but I also have a link to the Linux and Mac OS X. You just have to run that file. I'll have instructions on my site, DroidRazrRoot.com. So let's go to our computer. You'll want to download this zip file called motofail_windows. This is written by Dan Rosenberg. Don't forget to donate to him. I'll have it the link to his site on my credits. He's a very good guy. He's going to donate all your donations to Red Cross anyways. So just go here and make sure you have drivers installed. If you don't have drivers installed, I have driver links below. And also, if you're on Windows, you'll need drivers installed, and you can check it in Device Manager. Open up Device Manager. If you don't know how to get into Device Manager, just type Windows, Windows XP Device Manager. Just Google it. Everything's on Google. So if you open this up, you should get something like Android USB device Moto Composite ADV interface. If you get any kind of ADV interface, you're all good to go. So once that's done, simply run me.bat or run.bat. Also for Linux or Mac, you just have to open up a command terminal and do /run.sh. So it's pretty simple to do. Just run that, and you don't need drivers for Linux or Mac. Hit enter, and it's going to reboot your device a couple times. And after it's all done, you should have root super user. And does it install? Yeah, installs BusyBox also. So my phone is rebooting, and voila, and it's rebooting, and it should work. And also this works on Droid 3, Droid Bionic, and Droid 4. Awesome, huh? So you can root all those phones. My phone is rebooting, and it's rebooted, and it's going to probably do a bunch of stuff and reboot again. Droid.
One of the greatest things about a mobile phone.
Alright, and it's rebooting. It's going to reboot about now. And a lot of the new Motorola devices are the same method. They always use the same blocks, so you can it's universal across different Moto devices. I try to stay away from Moto devices now, just simply because they try to block root, on every update, and it's just kind of getting tired. Whereas the Samsung device is a lot easier. You just flash a kernel with root, and you have root, or flash a kernel with clock remote recovery and flash root. So even after software updates, it's very easy to root Samsung devices versus Moto devices. And plus, there's a lot more ROMs on Samsung devices, like the Samsung Galaxy S2, Note. But I really love my Droid Razr. The battery actually lasts a pretty long time. And anyway, it's done now. Let me switch the camera angle now. And it's done here. and you can go see that you have Super User installed now. Super User installed. Next, and let me see here, and you can verify that you have Super User access by running a rooted app. You'll want to install, I highly suggest you to install SafeStrap Recovery. It's a safe way of installing new ROMs. I have instruction on that on droidrazrroot.com. Just follow those directions and you should have SafeStrap also. Let me see if I can verify here. You can get free Wi-Fi tethering. You can either hack the existing hotspot. Oh, you'll have to do that actually, and then you can use the onboard one, or I like Android Wi-Fi tether. This one is not broken yet, but I'm just gonna download it real quick to show you that root is here. Go to Android Wi-Fi tether, downloads, download the latest APK, and click on it, and it's done. And I'm gonna install, open and start tether, and we should get Super User thingy. Right there, right there. Hit allow. So you get Super User request. Your phone has been rooted. Congratulations. Pat yourself on the back. The next step is you want to install SafeStrap, and also back up your current ROM just in case something goes wrong. You can always go back. Anyway, that was how to root your Droid Razr or Droid 3, Droid Bionic, or Droid 4 on Android 2.3.6. And it should work on all Gingerbread. Anyway, thanks you guys. If you have a Droid Razr, don't forget to subscribe to my email list at droidrazrroot.com, where I update you once or twice a week with stuff like this, tips, ROMs, and more. And I don't share your email with anyone else. It's just for you and me for communication. And also, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you have. Thanks. And share this with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. Anyway, thanks you guys for supporting my channel. I'm going to get more high on Android. Let me go install some ROMs and see you guys all later. Don't be a hater.